Good morning to all of you. Myself Ranjit Kumar, and in this lockdown, I knew that all the schools, colleges, all are closed, and the students are facing very hardships in completing their syllabus because no teacher is available, and they are not able to go to the school also. Some private schools, they are taking the online classes, but most of the students, especially from the rural areas, गांव में जो लोग बच्चे पढ़ते हैं गांव के स्कूलों में, छोटे छोटे कस्बों में, उन बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिक्कतें आ रही हैं पढ़ाई करने में, अपने सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करने में. दे आर फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हार्डशिप्स. So suddenly in my mind it emerged that I should also contribute something toward their education, to help them in their study, and with a view to that, since mobile has a wide reach or wide availability in the rural areas also nowadays, people from the poor background also they are using the smartphones or phone having the internet facilities. So suddenly it emerges in my mind that I should also contribute in the study of the students who are living in the rural areas or in the tier 3 cities or tier 2 cities of the country. So first of all I thought what new to start, and suddenly it emerged that English is a basic language which we should have the ideas, and for any language to learn, grammar is the most essential prerequisite which we should have. So I thought to start it from the grammar with very basic knowledge. That knowledge मतलब तरह से शुरुआती जो होता है कि एक आइडियाज हमें हो जाए कि ग्रामर क्या है एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी, एंड सम बेसिक एग्जांपल्स which we will go to learn in the grammar. And I hope that you like it and enjoy it. And if you have any problem, you can also ask me some questions. I will also provide you my phone numbers. And if you will have any doubt, you can ask me questions anytime. You can mail me or you can send your queries on my email ID and the WhatsApp number. So if you like it, please do subscribe the channel, and I hope that if you will click the bell, you will get notified about our classes and my topics, new topics which I will be covering. You will get to know about all that. So I hope that you will subscribe the channel and you will also press the bell. So first of all we are going to study or start with the sentence. Because what I am speaking, यानी आम बोलचाल की भाषा में जो हम लोग बोलते हैं, जो हम लोग आइडियाज़ को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, व्हाट वी एक्सप्रेसेज आवर आइडिया थ्रू वर्ड्स, when those words are assembled in a way that they provide us a complete meaning, that makes a sentence. क्योंकि सेंटेंस सबसे बेसिक है. हम बात करते हैं, हम सोचते हैं, हम किसी के साथ अपना आइडियाज़ को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, किसी का आइडियाज़ हम लेते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं. हम बोलते हैं जो चीज़ कि सामने वाला समझ जाए, सामने वाला जो बोलता है वो हम समझ जाए. इसको ही हम जो चीज़ में हम बोल रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से हम बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग सेंटेंस बोलते हैं, वाक्य बोलते हैं. सो अ जम्बलिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स. What are there? There is words. All the words are made up of vowels and consonants and alphabets. Alphabet, vowel and consonants are the part of the alphabets. So these alphabets, they make words, and words make sentence when they are assembled or when they are properly arranged in a way that they provide us, gives us some meaning. So sentence is that thing which the words when they arrange in a proper sequence and provides and gives us a meaning, then we will call a sentence. So we will start with the sentence, a brief introduction. After that we will go to the types of the sentences. That means there are several types of sentences: command sentences, when we give command to someone else, we see that we give orders, we direct someone, we request from someone. We have that statements. Some lines we speak which gives a meaning. We are not commanding something, but just we are expressing ourselves. That is a statement. Then we go to the negative sentences. That means अरे नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना है. जहाँ पर नो लगता है, जहाँ पर नहीं होता है, that sentence is called a negative sentence. There is question sentence, interrogative sentences or question sentences. When we ask some question, जब हम किसी से सवाल करते हैं, किसी से जवाब मांगते हैं, कि हम कुछ पूछते हैं उनसे, those sentences are called question sentences. So all these things we are going to study, and we are also going to study about subject and predicate. Means a sentence is made up of words, and the words, there are something in the words which is the subject, means one which is the work is done by something, that is the subject, and what work is being done, that is the predicate. So a sentence is made up of two things, subject and predicate. We will also come to know about all that things. So we are going to study from the, or start from the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, that gives us a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes or gives a complete sense. Like we can say that the cow gives us milk. मतलब गाय हमें दूध देती है. Here गाय हमें दूध देती है, हमें ये पता चल जाता है कि गाय है जो हमें क्या दे रही है, दूध दे रही है. So we are able to convey the message to the another person to whom we are speaking. It is the basic, and milk is good for health. दूध हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए लाभदायक है. So milk is good for health. So we are seeing that these are the sentences because they give us clear meaning. Here also we can say that in the way, midway, I am. What do you understand by this in the way? Who is in the way? Where is in the way? What in the way? Midway, I am. I am means what? मैं हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्या करता हूँ, मेरा क्या नाम है. So these sentences at the park means park में है, कौन है, क्या करना चाहता है, क्या बोलना चाहता है, क्या कर रहा है. We don't have any idea. So these are the sentence, these are the words, jumbling of words which do not provide such a complete meaning, and these are the words which provide the complete meaning, and the words which are arranged properly or sequentially and provide such a complete meaning, that is known as the sentence. I hope you have understood the sentence, that the words when they are properly arranged, when they are sequentially arranged, and they provide us, they give us a complete meaning, that is called a sentence. Just like a cow gives us a milk, the boy is playing in the field, I am cooking in the kitchen, I am studying my books. These are the sentences. The books, at the book, in the field, these are incomplete because there is not the complete meaning we are able to get from that. So sentence definition we have completed. Now we are going to see what types of sentences, because sentence is a very big thing. All the English is depend on the sentence. What we are saying and what we study, what we read in the books, all are made up of sentences. And there are several forms of sentences. So first of all, there are certain characteristics of a sentence also. Because we have to write something, we have to speak something. And what we are speaking, there are certain formalities, certain characteristics of those sentences. Like a sentence starts with a capital letter. What? A capital letter. We put full stop, question mark, exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. कोई भी सेंटेंस हम शुरू करते हैं तो कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू करते हैं, और उसे जब ख़त्म करते हैं तो हम फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क लगाते हैं, या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. सो एंड द सेंटेंस इज मेड अप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. मतलब कोई घटना को, एक्टिविटी को करने वाला होता है, और जो एक्टिविटी घटना को किया जाता है उसको हम लोग प्रेडिकेट बोलते हैं. सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. And words in the sentences are placed in the complete sequence. Right? Example: Ram is playing in the field. Here we are seeing Ram is the capital. Here we are putting the full stop. Ram is the subject and is playing in the field is the predicate. How are you? तुम कैसे हो? Here we are putting question mark. Hurrah, I have won the match and I was enjoying. I have won the match. Here we put exclamation mark. That means sudden excitement. Hurrah. There we put exclamation mark. So types of sentences. In types of sentences we are going to see that first we have a statement. A normal sentence where we just state about something. We say something about anything. हम लोग किसी चीज़ के बारे में कुछ जब बताते हैं, कुछ बोलते हैं, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? स्टेटमेंट बोलते हैं. सो द सेंटेंस, these are the sentences which say or which state something. They are neither questions nor they are gives command. So these are the statements when we say something about something. When we say or states about something, we say or state about something, and we put a full stop at the end. Capital letter is also there, and we put a full stop at the end. Example: I have lost my purse. I had a purse which I lost. So I have lost a purse. We are not asking anything from anyone. We are not giving any order of something. We are just asking a question. We are just giving a statement about something, that I have lost my purse. So these are the statements. These statements are also called affirmative sentences. These are also called affirmative sentences. Statements are also called as affirmative sentences. So after a statement we come to know about command. Command sentences, these are also called as imperative sentences. Command sentences are also called as imperative sentences. Command sentences are also called as imperative. Command means, you understand, In army, they give command. Oh, come on, do this work. Go and do that work. What are you doing? That is the question. But we are asking something. We are giving command. Do that work. Go and play. Don't sit in the room. So we are giving something. We are commanding. We are ordering somebody. We advise somebody. Please go to the doctor. A student should study very hard. And we are requesting somebody. Please give me your pen. Please have your food. These are the sentences which comes under the preview of the command sentences or imperative sentences. Command sentences और imperative sentences. This means we sentences जो order देते हैं, हम लोग request करते हैं, हम किसी से को कुछ कार्य करने के लिए बोलते हैं, हम उनको ये बोलते हैं कि आप ये कीजिए, आप वो काम कीजिए, हम किसी से कुछ चीज़ मांगते हैं, हम किसी को कुछ एडवाइस देते हैं, कुछ सजेस्ट करते हैं. These sentences comes under the purview of the command sentences. Go and play in the field. Study very hard. Study very hard. Please give me a pen. So here we are seeing that we are asking something, we are requesting something, all these things comes under the command sentence. And third one is, what is third one? Question. Questions or interrogative. Questions or interrogative sentences. Question or interrogative sentences. That means हम लोग कोई चीज़ जानते नहीं हैं. We don't have any idea about something and we have the intention to know that. So what we do? We go to some person and we ask, oh, what is in your hand? What you are hiding? When are you going to play? Do you really study? Means we ask something from someone. हम लोग किसी से कोई बात पूछते हैं. A sentence that asks a question. We ask a question. Such sentences asks a question and we put question mark. This is the question mark. Understood? This is the question marks. We ask some questions from someone. These are the question marks, question sentences or interrogative sentences. Here how to make that sentences? Sentences suppose देखिए question mark sentence को बनाने की भी एक कला होती है. जैसे हमने पूछा, जैसे मान लीजिए एक वर्ड है, सेंटेंस है, आई एम फाइन. एक नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट है, आई एम फाइन. एंड इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल राइट? एम आई फाइन. मैं अपने आप से ही पूछ रहा हूं कि क्या मैं ठीक हूं? एम आई फाइन. सो क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेज यू कैन मेक व्हेन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द टाइप आई एम. How to make this question sentences? We get into that. We are going to learn something about that. When there is I am, he is, you are, such type of things, then what we do? We put am, is, were before I, he, you. Means before the subject. We put am is were before I, he, you, that is the subject. हम लोग सब्जेक्ट के पहले में रख देते हैं, ठीक है। जैसे यू आर लेट या यू आर लेट, नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट। एंड व्हाट विल, हाउ विल मेक द क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेज, वर यू लेट। अंडरस्टूड? He is doing the work. Is he doing the work? What will write? Is he doing the, is he doing the work? So if the sentence has, have, had, he has, I had और I have, ठीक है, you have, here what we will write, has, have or had, have before subject. When we will write he has a pen, has he a pen? He has gone to the market, has he gone to the market? You have my book, have you my book? So before subject we write have, has, had. After that the verb is made up of two words, then we will write the first word before the subject, right? You have you, I am I, you were you, they were they. So these are the techniques to make a statement or a sentence into a question or interrogative sentences. And there are, fourth one is the negative sentence. Negative sentence. Negative means we put no before something. That means we decline to do something or we decline to have something. So that is the negative sentence. Like, and how we will make the negative sentence from a statement or from the sentence? If there is, are, am, was, where. So not after the verb. Not after the verb. If we have, wait a minute, we will write it in a proper way. So negative sentences, if we have is, are, am, where, was, what will do? Not after the verb, right? Has, have, had, has, have, had, has, have, had, and then we put no. Here we put not, here we put no. If verb is made up of two words, more verbs. If verb is made up of two or more words, then not after the first word, not after the first word. So we will put not after the first word. Then if fourth one is command sentences, when there are command sentences we put do not or don't in the beginning. We put do not or not in the beginning. Is, are, am, were, was, if it will be, then we will put not after the were. If we have has, have and had, we will put has, have, had and then we put no. Verb is made of two or more words, not after the first word. And commands do not, don't in the beginning. We will put do not or don't in the beginning. Like first if we will write here is, am, was, were, are. I am sad. Normal sentence. I am sad. I am not sad. Not after the verb. I am not sad. Right? They were ready. They were not ready. We will write they were not ready. Understood? Suppose we have has, he has many books. He has many books. He has many books. He has no books. He has no books. He has many books. We will write he has no books. He has I have a holiday today. I have a holiday today. I have no holiday today. I have no holiday today. Understood? In the same way, if there are two verbs, two or more words, then after the first word, like close the windows, like close the windows. Don't close the, do not या don't close the window. Why? Because here we are giving the command. We are giving the command, close the window, don't close the window, do not close the window. Same way, sit down, don't sit down. If you will say sit down, बैठ जाओ, नहीं बैठोगे, नहीं बैठो. Don't sit down. Sit down, don't sit down. So to make a command sentence, a negative sentence, we put do not or don't. So we have read about the negative sentence, we read about the command, we read about the statement, we read about the question sentences. Now I will try to explain you subject and predicate. Every sentence is made up of subject and predicate. I am going to the field. Going to the field. Here I is the subject. I am going to the field is the predicate. the part of the sentence, the first part of the sentence that names what the sentence is about. This is a statement, this is a sentence. I am going to the field, like write I am going to the field. I am going to the field. Sentence is made up of, first it is being said about me, I. What is being said? I am going to the field. Second part of the sentence that says something about the subject, that is predicate. What is predicate? Predicate is the what is said about the subject is the predicate. Something that is said about the subject is the predicate. And what is being said about, for whom we are saying something, that is the subject. So first part is the subject, second part is the predicate. So we are going to say something about the subject and predicate. There may be one also. I laugh. I is the subject, laugh is the predicate. I won the match. I won the match. Here I is the subject, won the match is the predicate, because the sentence is being said about me, and what is being said is won the match. It is me who has won the match. So I am the subject, and what I have done, I have won the match. Then won the match is the predicate. A statement is made up of subject and predicate. Lion lives in a den. Lion lives in a den. Lion is the subject, lives in a den is a predicate, because it is the lion about whom the sentence is being expressed, and lives in a den, it is the lion who lives in the den. So it is the subject and it is a predicate. So I hope I have tried to give you some basic knowledge about sentence, and hope you have enjoyed it. And I will come with new chapters on the grammar. और मैं इसके लिए बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आप लोग हमारे इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं। और अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, ताकि हमारे अंदर मोटिवेशन आए कि हम आपको और नए से नए वीडियो बनाकर दिखा सकें, जिससे कि आपके ज्ञान में वृद्धि हो। और साथ में अगर आप लोग बेल आइकन को प्रेस करते हैं तो हम आपको जो नए वीडियो बनेगा उसको हम लोग आपको नोटिफाई कर पाएंगे। तो इसके साथ ही मैं अपना आज का यह क्लास समाप्त करता हूं, और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोगों को यह पसंद आया होगा। धन्यवाद।